Today the topic of discussion is in singly circular linked list you will understand how to search any node. No, fine. So what we have did prior to this, so we have understand how to create singly circular linked list, and in that we have studied menu also. Then we have studied how to print element of linked list. Then we have understood how to insert a node in linked list, that is insert at beginning, insert at middle, or insert at end. And after that we have studied how to delete a node then. And in delete we have studied three cases, that is delete beginning, delete middle, and delete end. And now my last job is in singly circular linked list will search an element. So let's understand the menu first. So the menu I have tried and I have explained you many times, but I'll again explain you. In menu, what is taking place that you have created a variable. While one means condition always true, loop condition is always true, condition always true. Fine. So what is there in menu, that is if you press 1 for create, 2 for print, 3 for insert, 4 for delete, 5 for search, 6 for exit, that is you have a menu in front of you. You have a something which is showing that if you press 1 you can create, if you press 2 you can print, if you press 3 you can insert, press 4 you can delete, press 5 you can search, press 6 you can exit. My job is to search. I'll press 5. The moment I press because it's asking me enter the choice, so the moment I pressed 5, ch will have 5, switch will have 5. I'll jump to case 5, and in case 5 I'm calling search function. So let's see the search function. So search function, we have created a pointer and I've initialized with head, and the data type of this search function is node1. And what is node1? Node1, again I'm telling you, this node1 is nothing but we have created a structure having name node. There is two part, one data, one address, which is name is next, and data type of this address is, this pointer is struct node because it's a self-referential structure, and the variable of this structure is node1, and I've type defined it. Means instead of using struct node I can use node1. That is by using type def I have made a representative node1 as a representative of entire structure. No, if you will not use type def, then everywhere where you are using node1 you have to use what? Struct node. So in order to simplify the code I've used node1. Fine. Okay, so now you have a linked list. Fine. Okay, so you have created a pointer and you have initialized with head. What is there in head? Head is also a pointer. Head is having 100, so ptr will have what ptr will have 100, so ptr is at 100. Fine. Okay, I have created a variable item because I have to search a variable. I have created a flag which is 0. Fine. Okay, my job is to ask user what to search, enter the element to search. My job is to ask user what to search, enter the element to search. So I've the moment user will tell me what to search, so I'll say where. So I'll say where. So I'll save at item. Suppose I have to search 8. Suppose I have to search 8. So what this item will have? What this item will have 8. No, this item will have 8 because I've scanned this item. Now what I'll do, I'll start from head and I move before tail, and I'll increment I'll increment ptr. Why before tail? Because I know, if you see my previous coding of singly linked list, I've used null. There is no concept of null in circular linked list. Fine. If there is no concept of null, and if you will use null, you will trap into infinite loop. So you cannot use null over here. The moment you will use null, you will never find null and you will keep on revolving in this loop. So I have used a termination condition that the moment I reach before tail, I have to get out of this loop. Fine. So let's start with the coding, and let's start with the coding. So finally I have now what I have to search? 8. So item, my variable item is having 8. So for ptr is equal to head. What is ptr? Ptr is a pointer having head. I've already initialized it, so not an issue. So head, what is head? 100. So ptr is at 100. Is ptr not equal to tail? What is ptr? 100. And what is tail? 500. Yes, it's not equal. Condition become true. So what, since this was the first condition, this was first initialization. Second, I'll check the condition, and the condition become true, I'll move inside. Now I will check, is ptr data? What is ptr data? 5 is not equal to is equal to item. Is ptr data equal to item? What is ptr data? 5. And what is item? 8. No, condition become false. The moment condition become false, I'll not move inside the if block, and I'll go and I'll increment what? for loop. So PTR will have PTR next. What is PTR next? 200. So PTR will move from here to here. Fine. Okay. Again, I'll check the condition. Second condition. Is PTR not equal to tail? What is PTR? 200. What is PTR? What is PTR? What is PTR? I'm sorry, something went wrong. What is PTR? 200. Is PTR not equal to tail? Yes, PTR is 200. And what is tail? 500. Condition again become true. I'll again come inside. I'll check PTR data. What is PTR data? 6. Is PTR data equal to item? Is 6 equal to 8? No, condition become false. I'll not move inside. I'll again update what? PTR. PTR will have PTR next. What is PTR next? 300. So PTR will move from this place to 300. Fine. Okay. You just keep on remembering where PTR is moving. I'll again check is PTR not equal to tail. PTR is 300 and what is tail? 500. Yes, PTR is not equal to tail. Condition becomes true. I'll again come inside and check PTR data. What is PTR data? 7. Is 7 equal to item? Is PTR data equal to item? 7 is equal to item. No, 7 is not equal to 8. Condition become false. I'll not move inside the if block. I'll again increment PTR. PTR will have PTR next. What is PTR next? 400. So PTR will come to 400. PTR will come here. Fine. Again, I'll check its PTR not equal to tail. What is PTR? 400. And what is tail? 500. Yes, not equal. I'll again move inside. I'll check PTR data. What is PTR data now? 8. Is equal to item. Yes. PTR data is 8 and item is 8. Fine, they are equal. Now condition become true. I'll move inside this block. I'll put flag is equal to 1, which was 0 initially, and I'll break. The moment I'll break, I'll come out of the loop. I'll check. There is OR gate. Is flag equal to 1? Yes, flag is 1. I've just initialized flag with 1. So I'll not check this OR part because in OR gate, if one condition is true, no need to check the other condition. So this flag become 1, condition is true. I'll simply print element found, and which is exactly true. 8 is there. Now suppose you want to search an item which is not there. And your PTR is at 8th position. Your PTR is at 8th position and you want to search an item which is not there. Suppose you want to search 11. Fine. So currently your PTR is what? At 8. You will again check is PTR not equal to tail? Yes, PTR is not equal to tail because PTR is 400, tail is 500. Fine. Okay. So you will move inside and you will check its PTR data. What is PTR data? 8 is equal to item. What is there is item now? 11. No. Condition become false. The moment condition become false, I'll not move inside the if block. I'll again go and increment PTR. What is PTR? PTR will have new value PTR next. What is PTR next? 500. PTR will now come to the tail. Fine. Okay. I'll again check the second condition. Is PTR not equal to tail? What is PTR? 500. And what is tail? 500. Is PTR not equal to tail? Is equal to. Condition becomes false. Now condition become false. The moment condition become false, I'll come out of the for loop. That is again I'll come here. Now I will check is flag is equal to 1? No, flag is not 1 because I have never entered this block. So flag is 0. So this condition is false. Now I will check this condition. Is tail data? Because tail is the last node which is still remain to be checked. Tail data. What is tail data? 9. Tail data is 9. Is equal to item. What is item? 11. This condition also become false. So this is also false. This is also false. Both the condition become false. I'll move to the else part and I'll print element not found, which is exactly correct. 11 is not there, which is exactly correct. So this coding is working exactly fine. This coding is working exactly fine. Now my homework is, suppose you want to search a data which is 9.